Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by waking the Lava Z3 and unlocking it with your PIN or pattern so you can make changes. Once unlocked, go straight to Settings, then Display, then Wallpaper. You need the lock screen image visible in the wallpaper picker. Make sure you tap the lock screen preview. If you don't see it, use the Settings search bar and type Wallpaper to jump there. Doing this first avoids delays and ensures you're in the right place before editing. Now you'll remove the Yogi Modi wallpaper. Tap the lock screen preview and then choose Change or the trash/delete icon if available. If the image came from Gallery, select Gallery, locate the photo, and either remove it or pick a different image to replace it. Select a default wallpaper for fastest results. You can also long press the image within the wallpaper picker and choose Remove or Delete. Do this when you want the file unlinked from lock screen and, if desired, deleted from storage as well. Finish by tapping Apply or Set Lock Screen, and then lock the Lava Z3 to verify the change. If the Yogi Modi wallpaper still appears, restart the phone and check again. Make sure to clear Settings App Cache via Settings Right Arrow Apps, Right Arrow Settings Right Arrow Storage if changes won't save. If nothing works, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. Do that only after you've saved contacts and photos, because reset erases personal files and accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.